So let's talk about more shorts, though, going into place. The first short Bitcoin ETF to list on New York Stock Exchange. The exchange-traded fund will allow investors to hedge their Bitcoin exposure, which may prove particularly pertinent given the sharp downturn in crypto markets as of late. Do not short crypto right now. This is so crazy to me. We have the same halving cycle every single time. We can be fairly certain about what's happening. And we're near the bottom of the market. Sure, I know a lot of people want to say that it's going to go a lot further, but you're not hedging it on any previous knowledge of the way the halving cycle works. You're just so before you're purchasing cryptocurrency hoping it's going to go up when historically it's gone down. And now you're going to short Bitcoin and crypto during basically a period where the next step is that we go up in price. You got it all backwards, guys. Dear Lord. Investment product provider ProShares is set to list the US's first exchange-traded fund, allowing investors to bet against the price of Bitcoin. The ProShares short Bitcoin strategy, BITI, which is designed to deliver the inverse of Bitcoin's performance, will start trading on the New York Stock Exchange Tuesday. The ETF will allow investors to hedge their Bitcoin exposure, which may prove particularly pertinent given the sharp downturn in crypto markets as of late. ProShares was the first firm to list a Bitcoin futures ETF in October, a factor which saw the world's largest crypto hit an all-time high of around 68,900 in subsequent weeks. Bitcoin investors will be hoping the list of a short Bitcoin futures ETF does not have similar effect on the world's largest crypto in reverse. So they release a futures at the top of the market and they release a short at the bottom of the market. I mean, I don't know that this is the bottom, but this sure feels like if they're going to go ahead and release this and their timing of the futures was at the top of the market, right? Then this would be a bigger signal to me that this is a bottom of the market than it is anything else. I'm just saying, if this is their track record. Bitcoin's price dropped below 20,000 for the first time since December 20th on June 18th, falling as low as 17,800 the following day. ProShares applied to list BITI in early April, around the same time as leveraged ETF provider Direxion filed to list a similar product. As yet, there have been no updates on the status of Direxion's application. A short Bitcoin ETF is also already listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange by Horizon's ETFs. I think once we start seeing shorts like this being listed, once we start seeing everything that is happening, once again, I'm just going to say it, everything that is happening has happened in similar fashion in previous halving cycles. There's nothing new under the sun. All of this is just signals that we're right where we're supposed to be. So sit down, buckle up, Buttercup, and let's ride this out, because it does mean that we should see, obviously, the same halving cycle take place. Not financial advice, just basically how I'm looking at it. Now, interestingly enough, Dogecoin's gone up in price thanks to Elon Musk once again. So there you go. We're up 13% to almost 7 cents with a stark increase in price over here. It's on a weekly high. Still down over the month. I think the high was almost 9 cents. I just thought it was interesting that apparently Elon can just talk about Dogecoin and it goes up. Be careful with those influencers, boys. Be careful with them. Be careful, careful, careful. I hope you enjoyed this clip from the Crypto Mining Morning Show every Monday through Friday, 7:45 a.m. Pacific and 10:45 a.m. Eastern Time. You can check out more clips here, or if you're interested in checking out the entire live show, you can check that out down here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday.